Featured video: How tiny satellites help us track hurricanes and other weather events. Tiny satellites, developed by MIT Lincoln Laboratory, are revolutionizing weather forecasting by tracking hurricanes and other weather events more frequently. The technology has been licensed to commercial firm Tomorrow.io, aiming to enhance global weather coverage in aviation, logistics, agriculture, and emergency management. Is California really 100% drought-free for the first time in 25 years? Yes and no. Here's why. California's drought-free status confirmed by US Drought Monitor for the first time in 25 years. Yet the relief is not fully applied to the entire state. Who owns the Arctic? The thawing Arctic due to global warming triggers a competition for its hidden riches among global powers. New interactive map models dust exposure from shrinking Great Salt Lake. A new interactive map models dust exposure from the shrinking Great Salt Lake, visualizing potential health risks and suggesting water conservation as a solution. The tool is hosted at the University of Utah's Wilkes Center for Climate Science and Policy. New temperature record challenges extreme high-latitude warmth paradigm. New temperature record challenges traditional views on high-latitude warmth, raising concerns about future climate change. Thousands of properties to be without water until Friday, as ministers hold emergency meetings. Over 6,500 homes in Tunbridge Wells, Kent and Sussex face water outages until Friday due to burst water mains caused by severe weather. Emergency meetings are underway. The Agentic AI Leap: Unifying Data and AI Autonomy for 2026 Customer Engagement. In 2026, brands will shift towards Agentic AI for customer engagement, aiming to predict and act on customer needs in real time. This approach, combining predictive capability, unified data architecture, and seamless orchestration, is expected to revolutionize marketing strategies. Lion conservation in Kenya: Why one approach does not fit all. Kenya's lions exhibit unique responses to human land use, climate, and conservation, suggesting a one-size-fits-all approach is ineffective. Tailored management strategies, involving local communities, are key for successful conservation. Displaced Palestinians weather deadly winds. Extreme cold in tents. 6 fatalities reported as heavy rain and winds flood tents of displaced Gazan families, exposing them to extreme cold weather. Superorganism raises $25 million to back biodiversity startups. Investment firm Superorganism commits $25 million to support startups addressing biodiversity loss, focusing on tech for extinction prevention, climate biodiversity intersections, and conservation tool development. US plan to exploit Venezuela's oil could eat up 13% of carbon budget to keep 1.5C limit. US plans to exploit Venezuela's oil could consume over 10% of the world's carbon budget to limit global heating to 1.5C, according to an exclusive analysis. This could exacerbate climate change and push Earth closer to catastrophe. Man dies after tree falls onto caravan during Storm Goreti. During Storm Goreti, a man lost his life as a tree fell on his caravan in Falmouth, Cornwall. More warnings for snow and ice, as tens of thousands without power. Storm Goreti brings snow and ice, leaving tens of thousands without power in Derbyshire. NASA Webb finds young sun-like star forging, spewing common crystals. NASA Science.gov. Astronomers have found a young sun-like star that may hold the key to the origin of crystalline silicates in comets at our solar system's outskirts. Oxygen-free metabolism in the bird inner retina supported by the pectin. Nature. Bird inner retina functions under chronic anoxia, relying on anaerobic glycolysis for energy due to its oxygen-free environment. As per a Nature study, probing quantum mechanics with nanoparticle matter wave interferometry, Nature. Scientists demonstrate quantum interference using sodium nanoparticles containing thousands of atoms, opening new possibilities in the study of matter wave interferometry. 4 camera type eyes in the earliest vertebrates from the Cambrian period, Nature. Early Cambrian vertebrates, such as Myllochunningids, are found to have 4 camera type eyes. Challenging the understanding of early vision systems. Image shows a representation of a Cambrian era vertebrate. Enormous freshwater reservoir discovered off the east coast may be 20,000 years old and big enough to supply NYC for 800 years. Live Science. A potential 20,000-year-old freshwater reservoir discovered off the east coast could supply New York City for 800 years, according to recent findings. Temporal tissue dynamics from a spatial snapshot, Nature. Single time point spatial proteomics can predict changes in tissue composition over time, offering a new approach to studying human cancers. Aging promotes microglial accumulation of slow degrading synaptic proteins, Nature. Aging mice show accumulation of synaptic proteins in microglial cells, shedding light on neuronal changes during aging.